If you haven't been to Southport for the 4th of July, it's time to come. The 4th of July Festival in Southport is a celebration steeped in history and busting with spirit. Each year, this town comes alive to celebrate. This has been going on for over 200 years. The celebration starts June 28th and goes through July 4th. These events go on in Southport and Oak Island. For a full list of events, go to jordanontheislands.com or continue to watch the video. Southport is all decked out. If you guys haven't been down here for the 4th of July festival, it is contagious, the spirit of 4th of July.
Island is turning 25 years old. July 1st is when Yaupon and Long Beach join together to create what we know today as Oak Island. We are here at Middleton Park. This is where a lot of the events will go on.
Beach Day starts at 7 a.m. on July 1st with registration for athletic events at Oak Island Cabana. It is jammed-packed full of events all the way up to 9 p.m. when they shoot the fireworks off of the Oak Island Pier. If you guys have not done this, I highly recommend go check it out.